2 minus 2 divided by 1 over 2 plus 2, right? Now, 2 minus 2, some people solve it wrongly by doing 2 minus 2, which is equals to 0, divided by what? 1 over 2 plus 2. This is also known as 0 times 2 plus 2. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 plus 2 is equal to 0. But this is wrong. According to PEMDAS, we have to do multiplication for division followed by addition and subtraction. So there is no parenthesis, there is no exponent in this question. You have one subtraction, one division, and one addition. Then this is a fraction, okay? So don't forget, we are still going to apply our KCF rule when we are solving this fraction that has the division that has to do with fraction, okay? Now, if we solve it correctly, 2 minus 2 divided by 1 over 2 plus 2. Now, first of all, we are going to do this division first. So, which is 2, right? 2 minus. Now, if we apply our KCF here, we keep this, change this to multiplication, and this will go up, which is 2 plus 2. Alright? So, now we have 2 minus 2 times 2 plus 2. Now, the next thing to do according to PEMDAS is this multiplication, okay? So, we have 2 minus 2 times 2 is what? 4 plus 2. We have 2 minus 4 plus 2. 2 minus 4 is going to give us what? Minus 2. 2 minus 4 is going to give us negative 2 plus 2. Alright, negative 2 plus 2 is going to give us what? Alright, so negative 2 plus 2 is going to give us 0. So the answer to this question is 0. And that is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video, click on the like button.